This is Vlogvember Day 3.
Is that, Lizzie?
What?
Is that your video taker thing?
Yeah. It's the weekend, so I have my nephews over at my house, and it's a lot of fun. They like to play, and it's nice outside, so we're outside. Also really, really loud.